Hello there, welcome to the Ask the Accountant YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing question 4 in the multi-choice questions of the Basic Accounting Processes and System Part 1 ICAN ATSWA September 2020 Diet. Question 4. The following accounting services are performed by members in practice except A. Auditing, B. Tax services, C. Treasury managers, D. Insolvency services, E. Investigation services. Now, the key thing to look out for in this question are accounting activities that are performed by members in practice. Now, to get started, members in practice are chartered accountants in professional practice who provide accounting services to all types of businesses and are not direct employees in the business. So we will look at the answers in the options and tick off quickly the answers which do not suit or fit the question asked. Of course, we'll start with A, auditing. We all know that auditing is the process of examining an organization's or individual's financial record to determine if they are accurate and in accordance with any applicable rules, including accepted accounting standards, regulations, and laws. So, option A does not fit into the question asked, so we'll have to take that out. We attempt to answer with option B, tax services. Tax services is known as a service of writing and sometimes filing a tax return for a business or individual in exchange for a fee. This is one of the services, I beg your pardon, which members in practice perform. So members in practice, we can tell that they perform the function of auditors by providing auditing services. They can also do tax services. We'll look at the option D, insolvency services. We can tell that members in practice offer the services because this is one type of service that is offered when a company is experiencing financial distress. We'll look at option E, investigation services. Members in practice work with clients using investigative techniques to examine and inquire into the state of affairs of a business. Now the last answer in the option, which is treasury managers. These roles are responsible for overseeing the cash flow, revenue, and overall finance of an organization. For you to be a treasury manager, you have to be a direct employee of the business. So we can tell that the accounting services performed by members in practice include auditing, tax services, insolvency services, investigation services, but not treasury managers, because this, of course, is performed by employees who are direct employees, people who are direct employees in our organization. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can be the first to get notifications of new uploads. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.